All right, so the National Weather Service just issued a tornado watch for my area. Batteries are sitting at 100%, according to the midnight, but they're topped off for the most part. And as I was out here, I noticed something not working. Right here. This little Blue Sea Systems 1741 temp meter. I checked the wiring and it's got a good solid 12 volts going into the plug receptacle. And if you go over here, these suckers are 60 bucks. And they're also rated for 100,000 hours of use. And I bought this 2 years ago, not even like 2.5 years ago. And there's 8,200 hours in 1 year, which equates to 11.4 years. Silly math, but it is what it is. So I didn't even get 2.5 years out of this expensive thing. So I sent an email or I called Blue Sea Systems in Washington, and their office is of course closed. I mean, 3 o'clock Washington time. They're doing flex days or something. But they weren't open, so I left a message to call me back, and also put a posting on Amazon asking for a warranty replacement. Kind of sucks. I love this meter. I mean, it just sits there and is on the whole damn time. Right here. I got the probe sitting down here in the battery box. It just sits there and works, but you know, stuff breaks and fails, and maybe I got a bad one. But it's rated for 24 volt. See there? Can't screw it up. And reverse polarity protected. I mean, it's idiot proof. It really is. So, hopefully I can get a new one. I own a lot of Blue Sea System stuff. Alright, just thought I'd share that with you. And have a good one. Stay safe out there.